So we take this into a time of meditation. If it's comfortable for you, I invite you to close your eyes with me. And if you prefer to leave your eyes open and just allow them to rest on a place in front of you. And just as my instructor asked us to do, I'm going to invite you to notice your breath. Notice this gift of life that you get to enjoy. And gently draw your attention up to your mind, your busy thoughts. And give thanks for those thoughts. And then gently allow your focus to drift down lower into your body, into your chest. And imagine your heart space swinging open wide. Where am I acting like Martha? Where am I worried and distracted by many things? Where can I embrace Martha with the compassion of Jesus? With the compassion of recognizing that experience of worry, that experience of responsibility. And how may I use my imagination, that magnificent power, to shift how I approach those things that I have to do. What if I could see them as a privilege? What if I could bring my whole heart, as Mary did? At any time, I know that I have Mary energy within me. I know Martha energy. I choose to find the wisdom of both within me, represented by the Jesus power within me. At any time that I feel overwhelmed, resentful, lacking peace, I will remember to check in with my Jesus energy, my Christ consciousness, and sit at the feet of that wisdom as I go then about my busy day. I get to do amazing things. Rest now in that time of silence. As you embrace your inner Martha, your inner Mary, and the wisdom that loves them both.